Hello and welcome to the weekend update. This is Bill Wood from DisciplinedTradingDecisions.com, and I have the musical question of, was the bull market over on July 26, 2019? But first, hi, this is Bill Wood with Disciplined Trading Decisions. It's time for the weekend update for the S&P 500. Trading futures, options on futures, and retail off-exchange foreign currency transactions involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Okay, intriguing question. So I'm going to give you two scenarios. One is a bullish scenario for the S&P 500 and also a bearish scenario. So the bullish scenario would be this one here that I have mapped out, that this would be wave 1, wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, extended wave 5 here for 3 and 4, and 5 would be somewhere up here. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be, of course, very bullish. And if that would be the case, then a closer look, we're looking at after wave 4, we're waiting for 5 waves for the 5th wave. So 1, 2, extended 3rd wave here, 4 and 5. So that is the bullish scenario. Let's take a look at the bearish scenario. Okay, this is a weekly chart, S&P 500, SPX. Here's your wave 1, wave 2. And instead of wave 3 being way up here, here's wave 3 here, wave 4. And what's a motive wave? It's 5 waves. So the 5th wave is made up of 5 waves. So you have your wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. And if that is true, then the bull market is over come July 26, 2019. So if that is the scenario, let's take a closer look. So this is the same S&P chart. Here's wave 3, 4, and 5. This blue 5th wave is made up of 5 green waves. And this 1 and 2 down here, that's a little suspect. I have to give you that. It's a little suspect there, but I'll take it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to make 5, and the bull market, say goodbye to the bull market. We're going to be in a correction. So if that is the case, then we can expect an ABC move down or a 5-wave move down. So here's 1 and 2. This could be 1 and 2, and you could expect a large wave 3 down, pull back for 4, down to 5, and that would just be wave A, then a pullback to B, and a large correction, ABC correction. And it could go down further than that. Who knows? That's the bearish scenario. Again, the bullish scenario, I'll go to a daily chart. Okay, this is the daily chart on SPX, and here's your 3 and your 4. And this would be a large wave 1, pull back for wave 2. But we have this going on here. What is that? Well, that could be an extended wave 3. Here's your wave 3. 1, 2, 3. And of course, wave 3 is made up of 5 waves. So that could be 1 and 2 of wave 3, 4, 5 to make up wave 3 right there. So if this makes sense, 3, 4, 5 waves to make 5. 5 waves to make 3 here. So that's what that pullback would be. That would be the bullish case scenario. Now, a quick alternate to the bullish case scenario would be that this is not the end of wave 2, that this is just a wave A, and then wave B might be over, and then you come down again just to break this low for wave C. It cannot break this low here, but it would have to break this low for wave C. So that's an alternate for still the bullish case scenario. Next, I'm going to look at market profile and show you the trade I have on right now. But first, I'd like to share with you that I've written a book, or more precisely, a workbook, one that you print out and write in. Along with it comes 90 minutes of coaching videos. I've written it for those who have experienced trading but are still having difficulty becoming profitable. Perhaps you're making the same trading mistakes repeatedly. Overtrading, moving stops, failing to pull the trigger, exiting too early. In the workbook and videos, I give you insights into why these things happen, not only to you, but to all traders. You see, it's not your fault. We are wired as human beings to be terrible traders. We have a natural defense mechanism against risk, causing the fear of missing out, the fear of loss, the fear of leaving money on the table, the fear of being wrong. Those are the 4 fears of trading. The workbook and 90 minutes of videos will help you to crush the 4 fears of trading and help you to become the trader you always wanted to be. Well, enough of my plug. The workbook and videos does have a small cost, and if you want to find out more, follow the first link in the description below. Now back to our regularly scheduled program. Hey, thanks for indulging me. I'm pretty excited about the workbook, so let's get back to business. This is today's profile. You can see that pretty even with yesterday's value, and that yesterday looks like it was short covering. You have this fast move up, balances up toward the top, causing a P shape, and so that would make us think that the market was trying to go lower, couldn't go lower, and so this, when it gapped up on this day, that's where the shorts gave up, and so they had to cover. Balance today, we have a little bit of excess down here. I don't know how well you can see that, and have a little bit of excess on the top. So we opened here right in the middle of this balance, tested higher, could not fill in these single prints. So once it came back through the open, you pretty much assumed that it was going to test lower. Filled in these single prints, filled in these anomalies here, came down, and then tested all the way back up again. Could not break the high toward the end of the day and closed fairly close to the middle of this profile. So if I look at an hour chart, here's that large move down. It's corrected this in maybe an ABC type fashion. So number one, I'm looking at this center median line of this Andrews pitchfork, and we did run into some resistance up here. Also, just notice on this move down that you can easily count a wave 1, 2 up here, but I don't count a wave 4. It just came right down and then came right back up. So is this a wave 4? If this is a wave 4, then it could come down and break this low. Just something that I'm going to be watching. In fact, I did get a little short. I sold some calls up here, and it's been bouncing around up here just to make me nervous. I would cover them if it came within wave 1 here. We'll see. Donald Trump could tweet something and we could just explode to the upside. Who knows? Just a quick recap here. This is the end of 2018 low. I'm counting as a wave 4, and this is a large move up. This could be wave 1, wave 2, for a larger move to wave 3, counted in 5 waves. Wave 2 may not be over. This may be an ABC type of wave here, and wave 2 would come down like this. It cannot break this low though. Again, that's assuming a higher move here. Still in a bull market. The alternate count would be that we're in correction mode, and this just may be wave 1 of 5 waves of wave A. We'll see how it plays out. This is Bill Wood, and if you're watching this anywhere other than my blog at Discipline Trading Decisions, please go there now and check out some of our other resources. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, and if you click on the little bell icon, you'll get notified when I put more videos out. And this is a reminder to trade according to your trade plan. Don't do what I do. You have to believe in your own analysis in order to stay disciplined and true to your plan. Hey, I would really appreciate your likes, your comments, and your shares. It all helps to get the word out. And remember, stay motivated, stay focused, and stay disciplined, my friend.